Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best electric pressure washer. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Westinghouse EPX3500 Electric Pressure Washer. 2500 max PSI 1.76 max GPM with anti-tipping technology, onboard soap tank, pro-style steel wand, 5 nozzle set, for cars, fences, driveways, home patios. Brand, Westinghouse. Power source, AC. Color, black. Maximum pressure, 2,500 pound per square inch. Item weight, 21 pounds. Hose length, 25 feet. Tank volume, 2 times 10 to the power of 1 fluid ounces. Maximum flow rate, 1.76 gallons per minute. 2500 max PSI at initial discharge of deep cleaning water pressure and up to 1.76 GPM without nozzle at minimum pressure, water flow, pro-style steel extendable 17.5-inch wand with quick connect nozzles, 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, turbo, and soap applicator. Super compact and lightweight at 16.5-inch tall and 19 pounds for convenient storage and portability. 4 quick lock wheels with 360 degrees steering design and low center of gravity engineered for anti-tipping design. Easy coil nylon braided 25-foot hose, 20 ounces, 600 milliliters. Onboard soap tank to add detergents/chemicals for heavy-duty cleaning. Power on decks, driveways, garage floors, stairs, fencing, patio furniture, and vehicles. Pump automatically stops when trigger is not engaged to conserve energy and promote pump and motor life. Backed by 3-year limited service, labor, and parts coverage with nationwide customer service and support network. Number 2. Electric Pressure Washer 4800 PSI. Max 3.2 GPM Power Washer with 25 feet hosed 16.4 feet power cord, car wash machine blue, ideal cleaning for garden. Brand, Zanters. Power source, corded electric. Color, blue. Maximum pressure, 4,800 pound per square inch. Item weight, 15 pounds. Hose length, 25 feet. 4800 PSI max high pressure. Our pressure washers deliver a maximum pressure of up to 4800 PSI max and a water flow rate of 2.6 GPM. With the upgraded 1800 watt motor, even the most stubborn and encrusted dirt can be quickly and effectively removed. Compact and lightweight, this power washer is incredibly lightweight, making it convenient and effortless to move around. The unique retractable trolley bar and wheels provide the same level of convenience as a mobile trolley case. With the longer hose, you can easily reach and clean hard-to-access areas such as the roof and other challenging spots. 5 quick connect nozzles. This pressure cleaner comes with 5 quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap, to provide 4 different levels of pressure for a strong water stream. The attached foam cannon produces rich bubbles, perfect for washing your car. Select the high-pressure nozzle that best suits your specific cleaning task. Total stop system and safety lock. The TSS system allows the power washer to start as soon as you squeeze the trigger and shuts it down when you let go, saving energy and prolonging the pump's life. Number 3. Electric Pressure Washer 4800 PSI. Max 3.0 GPM Power Washer electric powered with 20-foot hose, 35-foot power cord, for nozzles, foam cannon, high pressure washer for car, patio, garden, fences. Brand, Decock tool. Power source, AC. Color, buhl. Maximum pressure, 4,800 pound per square inch. Item weight, 16 pounds. Hose length, 20 feet. 4,800 PSI powerful pressure washer. The Decock tool electric pressure washer is equipped with a powerful 1500 watt motor that can generate up to 4,800 PSI water pressure at 3.0 GPM water flow for max cleaning power. Number 4. Electric Pressure Washer 2.5 GPM. High power washer with 4 nozzles set in foam cannon, power washer for driveways, cars, fences, decks, patios, and outdoor cleaning. Brand, Blacio. Power source, electric. Color, green. Maximum pressure, 4,200 torr. Item weight, 16.86 pounds. Hose length, 7 centimeters. Powerful cleaning performance, our electric pressure washer delivers an impressive amount of water pressure at 2.5 GPM, providing deep and efficient cleaning for even the toughest grime, dirt, oil, and mold. Whether you're tackling concrete, siding, vehicles, or outdoor furniture, it offers the power you need to get the job done fast. For quick connect nozzles for versatile cleaning, our pressure washer comes with 4 interchangeable spray nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, to suit different cleaning tasks. Use the 0 degrees nozzle for intense spot cleaning, 15 degrees for tough surfaces like driveways, 25 degrees for general use, and 40 degrees for delicate surfaces like windows or vehicles. Switch nozzles in seconds with the Quick Connect system. Built-in foam cannon for a deeper clean, the electric pressure washer includes a foam cannon that attaches easily and produces a thick layer of foam, making car washing or soap-based cleaning more effective. Perfect for loosening tough dirt and providing a thorough clean with less effort. Easy setup and user-friendly design, designed for hassle-free assembly in just minutes, no complicated tools required. The lightweight body, built-in hose reel, and ergonomic handle make it easy to move and store, even in compact spaces. Number 5. Electric Pressure Washer 2.5 GPM. Power washer with 4 quick connect nozzles, high pressure cleaning machine with foam cannon for cars, fences, driveways, patios, home cleaning. Brand, LWQ. Power source, corded electric. Color, green. Maximum pressure, 2,030 pound per square inch. Item weight, 16.6 pounds. Hose length, 20 feet. Powerful cleaning, the electric pressure washer has a deep cleaning water pressure up to 2.5 GPM of water flow. While saving water and energy, it also ensures high cleaning efficiency and the ability to clean objects with complex shapes and structures, which makes it ideal for cleaning various surfaces in the home, such as driveways, patio furniture, and cars. Multifunctional use, the power washer is equipped with 4 quick connect metal spray nozzles, water pressure strength 0 degree 15 degree 25 degree 40 degrees, and a foam cannon. For metal nozzles with different pressure strengths for different application scenarios to meet your cleaning needs. The detergent bottle can be filled with chemicals such as bleach. The cleaner will not pass through the pump, so you don't have to worry about cleaning the machine. Easy to use, equipped with a 20-foot hose and 16-foot power cord, the pressure washers provides ample length to ensure freedom of movement. The design of 2 rollers breaks through the environmental limitations for easy movement and operation, while the bottom of the body adds an anti-tipping design for overall stability when not in motion. In addition, it can take water from both a faucet and a bucket, making it easy to create a clean space wherever you want. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.